I'm proud to say, happy launching day, GBI family. I'm grateful to this part na yung grupo natin na maglo-launch sa buong Elite Tycoons family. Ako si Joe Maracaso, one of the founders of GBI family. So ang pangalan ng grupo natin ay Golden Billionaires International. Sa pangalan pa lang, ito yung magkakaroon ng maraming mga OFW and mga leaders na nandito sa Pilipinas na nangangarap. And time will come, lahat ng pangarap, lahat ng goals ay magkakaroon ng reality. Gawin mo lang yung business, do it, be happy habang ginagawa mo to. Kasi ang pagtupad ng pangarap, hindi mo to gagawin ng 1 year, 3 months, 6 months, dapat gagawin mo to ng tuloy-tuloy. Na habang nilo-launch natin ang grupo, to witness from day 1 hanggang lahat ng mga pangarap ng bawat isa, kasama ka namin sa dulo.
Hi, my name is Divanis Interior. I'm a former college year student. Thank you so much, GBI family. Bilang isang kabataan na nangangarap, nabigyan ng pag-asa, darating yung time, lahat ng pangarap ng mga leaders ko, natutupad. I'm proud to say, happy launching day, GBI family. Magpatuloy lang tayo kahit anumang rejection. It's a part of our business. That's why we need to focus, and then we need to positive always. And then, yun, kung may goal tayo is focus lang tayo. Kasi alam kong bawat isa sa atin is may mga pangarap.
Hi, I am Marjon Habines, one of the leaders of JBI family. Thank you so much. Sobrang grateful ko sa ganitong opportunity. Bilang isang kabataan, nabigyan ng breakthrough, bago ang isip, soon po ang pangarap ng bawat isa. I'm proud to say, happy launching day, JBI family.
I'm Sander Vergara, one of the leaders GBI family. Thank you so much, GBI family. Very proud to say, happy launching day. Congratulations, GBI family. FW leaders ko na nagtiwala sa amin, tuloy-tuloy mo lang at sigurado ang unlad mo, yaman mo dito sa GBI family.
Cheers to a powerful launching and a future full of success. Congratulations, GBI community. Happy launching day. My name is Roel Piña Florida, one of the leaders of GBI family. To all OFW leaders, excited kami na makasama kayo dito sa Pinas, makauwi for good.
Hi everyone, my name is Miraluna Asun from Saudi Arabia. I want to congratulate GBI family. Happy launching day. Thank you for part of this community. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Rosie Roda, country Saudi Arabia. I want to congratulate GBI family. Happy launching day. Thank you for part of the community. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, ako po pala si Rebecca Flang, country from Saudi Arabia, and I want to congratulate GBI family. Happy launching day. Thank you for part of the community. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, ako po pala si Patria Osman, country from Jeddah. I want to congratulate GBI family. Happy launching day and thank you for part of the community. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Josephine Caseros, country from Saudi Arabia. I just want to congratulate GBI family for happy launching day and thank you for the part of community. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Perla Habinis, former OFW from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I want to congratulate JBI family and thank you for being part of this community. Happy launching day!
Hello everyone, my name is Eleni Pilardal. Nandito po ako sa bansang Kuwait. I want to congratulate GBI family and happy launching day. At maraming salamat po at binigyan niyo po ako ng isang pagkakataon para maging parte po ng inyong komunidad. Maraming salamat po and God bless you all.
Hello everyone, I'm Cheryl from Maganda, country, Doha, Qatar. I just want to congratulate GBI families for happy launching day. Thank you for part of the community. Thank you so much.
Hello, good day everyone. Ako po pala si Jerry Maridelio, country from Doha, Qatar. I want to congratulate GBI community and happy launching day. And thank you for this be a part of this community. And once again, happy launching day.
Hi everyone, I'm Roxana Bagarino, country from Saudi Arabia, and I want to congratulate CHMI family and happy launching day, and thank you for part of the community. Thank you so much.
One team, one dream,
One billionaire!
we build as one. Happy launching day!